Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you rub Vaseline on your stove. By the way, this is awesome at removing makeup. My mom has done it for years. If you look at the stove, this is probably original to the house. This stove, we bought it about 3-4 years ago. This was atrocious when we bought this house, this stove. So this is looking a lot better than when we bought it, but you can still see some grease marks right here. If I had used some Vaseline, those grease marks would not be stuck in there like they are right now. I have a glove on because I'm going to show you a little trick here in a second. A little goes a long way with this petroleum jelly, this Vaseline, whatever you want to call it. By the way, this is non-flammable, so do not worry with my gas stove right here. You're going to take a microfiber cloth, and again, a little goes a long way. You're going to rub this around your stove, and it's going to create a protective layer. Hence, you can see right here, skin protectant. It also protects your stove and shines it up really nicely. Again, just a small layer so you can't even see it on your stove. And I would do this once a month. That way when you go to clean your stove, the grease and grime is not going to stick as easily as it would if you had not applied the Vaseline. So I'm just going to do a small section right here. You can see also the grease. Vaseline helps pick up the grease that's already on here. It softens it, it lubricates it. Now once you've done that, if you're noticing that you have some really stuck on stuff, like look at this one right here, no chemical cleaner is going to get these types of things up. What I like to use is just some steel wool, quad 0, double 0. No, not double 0, it's 4 zeros quad, but it will get everything up. Watch this. Can you see this mark right here? Again, just take your steel wool. We use this on glass all the time. Professional glass cleaners will recommend it, and it will get all those little markings right up. So once you've cleaned off your stove, you can do the petroleum jelly, the Vaseline before and after, because it will help get up the grease more easily, and then it will help protect it for future cleanings. Be sure to wear some sort of glove if you are working with this, and give this a shot. I absolutely love this. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book because it works. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're trying to get the sticky grease off of your cabinets, I will link that video on screen now. Thumbs up. See you in the next one.